Well, there are voices of dissent within the ANC, and the party will attend to them this coming Monday. In a freewheel interview, ANC Deputy Secretary-General Jessie Duarte said the party will be heeding to the call made by the party stalwarts. She also said that a meeting with the president over the state capture report is also on the cards. Duarte also slammed opposition DA for jumping the gun on Sean Abrams and weakening the NPA. Let's take a listen into some of the excerpts from this interview.
We don't believe the report is a final report, and that she has made some suggestions which cannot be finalized, because she's calling, amongst the things she's asking for is a judicial commission of inquiry based on the Gupta family only. The National Working Committee did discuss the report, and our view is that firstly, all those implicated in the report have a right to judicial review, based on the fact that they were not actually given an opportunity to raise their side of the story, which is really a fundamental in our law. The question of who calls for commissions of inquiry in the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, that is a prerogative of the President of the Republic, and that would include who's appointed as a judge and so on. However, having said all of that, we believe that anything we discuss is premature until there is a review, and we've understood there is going to be a review, and recall ideas for the recall of the president and the many other calls that the DA are using the judiciary rather incorrectly for is really not correct, is premature. He has a right to question through his lawyers, or ask questions of those people through his legal team, or directly, and that's what the Act, the Public Protectors Act prescribes. That didn't happen, and the ruling, the basis of our law is exactly that: the right to cross-examine an accuser is a fundamental right. And so, if you take away that right, aren't you being incorrect in applying principal standards of the law? And so we're not really arguing technically. We're saying if Ms. Madonsela had just given people adequate time and an opportunity, instead of rushing through this particular investigation,